Let's take a look at how you can insert images and other objects into a Google Doc. So I'm going to go up to the menu where it says Insert, and I'm going to click, and you see you have lots of choices. We're not going to go through all of these in this video, but notice that you can insert quite a few different things. Let's start with looking at images. So if I want to insert an image into my Google Doc, I have several options. I could upload something that I have saved to my computer. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to pull up my computer's files, and I can scroll through, find an image that I might want to insert, and hit open. Then I'm going to be able to pop it in there, and then you can resize it. You could move it around, put it in the center, kind of wherever you would like for that to be. Another option is to go to Insert, Image, and then let's say that you want a picture of a tiger, but you don't have one already. You can just go search the web, and from within your Google Doc, it's going to open up a search bar, and you can search for an object or a picture, find one that you like, click on it, and hit Insert. And it's going to pop it in there. And again, you can always resize it and move it around as you need to. Another option is that you might have a picture saved to your Google Drive. So you can pop it in there. And when you hit this, it will open up any images that you might have. You can pick an image that you want to insert from your Google Drive, and it will go right in there. Another option with inserting images, if you use Google Photos and you have them in your Google Photos, you can pull straight from there. If it is if you have the internet link or web link to it, you could do it by URL, or you could use the camera that's on your computer or Chromebook. The first time you do it, it may ask if you can have permission to use your camera. Then it will open a camera. You can take a picture. Once you've got that picture done, you can hit Insert, and it will pop that picture in there as well. Those are all ways that you can get images into a Google Doc. Something else that you can insert into a Google Doc is a table, and you can choose how many columns and rows you want in that table. One thing that I really like to do in a Google Doc is to insert a one column, one row table. I like to do this especially if I'm going to give a document to students to edit, because this gives them a good place to type their answers, and it kind of keeps it in a contained spot. All they have to do is click in that box and start typing. So a one column, one row table is very powerful for that, but you can insert any type of table that you would like into a Google Doc. In addition, you can insert a drawing. So Google Drawings is another tool that Google has that you can work in outside of a Google Doc separately, or you could create a new Google drawing, and once you've created something within Drawings, then you could save it, close it, and it would insert it straight into your Google Doc. Other options that we're not going to go through a whole lot are charts. We'll get into charts more when we cover Google Sheets. You could insert a horizontal line if you just need kind of a divider in your document. You've got emojis, smart chips, drop-down menus, footnotes, special characters, equations, watermarks, headers, and footers. All of those things are things that can be inserted into your Google Doc. So main thing that I wanted to show you here, though, is images and all the various ways that those can be inserted into your Google Doc.